paano mo sinusukat ang ibang tao at ang mundo. Pero bago mo sagutin yan, ipapaalala ko lang na kung paano mo sinusukat ang iba at ang mundo, ganoon din ang paraan ng pagsusukat sa iyo. Welcome to another episode of Real Slice, and as usual, we're starting another brand new week, another brand new part of this segment of the life that I have, and I'm happy to share it with you. I'm grateful that you are constantly being, journeying with me through life. And this week is going to be extra special. Well, the usual every week naman special, but this time we're gonna talk about measure. How do you measure your life? Which measure do you use to, check on people, check on relationships, check on the happiness survey of your life, basically. And it's kind of exciting because it will help you gauge where you're at in your life, what are your priorities, ano yung mga bagay na nagpapaandar sa'yo. So, I really hope that you grab a blessing out of watching this video, and I'm just so happy that we're able to do this together.
Nag-propose talaga?
Kasi
naisip ko yung sa
Okay. Parang
Kalabaw mo lang.
Parang nakita mo na sila.
Mr. Clean.
Tama na.
How do you measure a good party?
You get a third wedding party only here at McDonald's North Molino. Kaya naman sabay-sabay natin siyang batiin ng isang masaya at masiglang happy wedding in 3, 2, 1! Yan ang treat naman! Where's your gift?
Mas lalo kaming naging kumapit kay Lord kasi si Kayla ay isang miracle baby. So hindi namin alam na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang gawin pero si Lord lang yung makakagawa. Kaya walang imposible kay Lord. Thank you.
Betty and Howard Clark!
Kasi kung susukatin natin siya sa dami ng gifts, it's overflowing. Sa good food, it's really good. Sa mascot ng mga sumasayaw, marami. Pero sinukat ko ang party ni Kayna sa faithfulness ng parents niya na si Nap and Rika. And it was amazing. And having said that, we can gauge everything here on earth with a certain measure. So I'm curious, how do you measure life? Is it with the number of hours you spend with your loved ones? Is it with the work that you do? Realizing na ang daming sukat sa mundong ito, meron kang mga life lesson na matututunan out of realizing that. Number one, everything can be improved if you have a certain measure of the fullness of life that you want, about health, about finances, or about relationship. You can measure it and you can improve it. Or sabi nga nila, anything that you can measure, you can improve and change. Number two is you can focus on what really matters. Kung nasukat mo lahat-lahat, alin sa mga panukat na yon ang importante sa'yo? Ito mahalaga sa akin because I am a big fan of clarity. That awareness brings about clarity. By measuring various aspects of our lives, we gain insight into our behaviors and outcomes. At sa amin ni Ken, clear sa amin kung ano ang mahalaga, ano ang importante. At buti na lang may bisita kaming binisita sa aming maliit na parish. Isa pang lesson ay natural lamang ang mag-compare sa ibang tao. Pero ang importante is ang kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa sarili mo kahapon. Sa mundong mapanghusga at mapanukat, ang daming measure sa buhay ng isang tao. It can be years. It can be the size of your waist na talagang concerned ako. Kaya ako nag-jogging. It can be the years that you've existed here on earth. It can be the miles that you have run. It can be also the number of good works or the fame that you have, the number of followers in your Instagram account or your YouTube account. Ang daming sukat na paisip ka na lang, saan mo sinusukat ang buhay mo? Saan mo sinusukat ang ibang tao? Saan mo minimeasure ang importansya ng buhay, ang value ng buhay mo at buhay ng ibang tao? Saan? That is the real question that really is bothering me this week. And ang saya lang that we have the community, the church, the Bible, and the faith to really guide you through all of it. Sa ilang taon ko ng pagtatrabaho, isa siguro sa mga pinaka life lesson na natutunan ko is you can only improve yourself if you can measure it. Sa trabaho, kailangan nag-i-improve ka. Kailangan na-reach mo yung mga goal mo. Yung mga metrics mo ay na-achieve mo. And that clearly states that you are improving. Sa buhay, ganun din. Kapag nakikita mo pumapayat ka sa bawat pag-jogging mo, sa number of steps na nanitake mo, sa dami ng nakakamtan mo at yung mismong nararamdaman mo, it's also a measure of health and fulfillment of life as well. Minsan sa pagkakaibigan din, hindi naman sa pagsusukat ng dami ng kaibigan.
Wait lang.
Parang trabaho. Pero malamang sa malamang, importante na nagkakaroon ka ng time. Not with quantity, but with quality. Kaya enjoy kami na makabanding si Venice this day. Naitakas namin ang mabilis na date.
Grateful, Lord, for the blessings that you gave us. Salamat po, Lord, for the...
May mga lumang ways tayo of measuring a full life. And isa sa mga yun ay masaya ang buhay kapag maraming anak. Kaya naman, ang saya lang namin na we're able to do a quick baby shower with our family members who are expecting another baby coming. Although hindi siya yung totoong measure, masaya kami na we get to have and spend some time together as a family.
Thank you so much.
Ito natatandaan ko, measure din ang maraming uban sa buhok as a measure of a fulfilled life. Hindi ko rin naman gusto na magkaroon ng maraming puting buhok. Kaya naman, for the first time ever, I was able to ask my wife to have my hair colored in time for a very, very special event on the next coming weeks. Look at me! I'm brand new! Nakakatuwa lang na hindi nasusukat ang pagkakaibigan ng kung gaano katagal kayong nag-uusap or kung gaano kadalas kayo nag-uusap. Yung mga sukat-sukat, yung mga measure with friendship, hindi talaga nag-a-apply siya constantly. And ang sarap lang isipin, no, dahil kasama namin ngayon yung mga friends namin, si Janus and si Bridget, na we've been friends for years already. Hindi naman kami ganun kadalas na nagkikita, to be honest. Nakakatuwa nga na last kami nagkita yung wedding pa nila, which was just more than a year ago. And yet yung connection namin, yung love namin sa isa't isa, yung passion namin for life, and yung togetherness, halos hindi nagbago. So if you're gonna measure your life with your friendship, your relationship, with how the amount of time you spend with each other, it really wouldn't apply. Ang sarap lang ma-realize yun ngayon, especially bonding with this couple that we've been hoping to date for a very, very long time. Kaibigang, dinayo pa namin dito sa amazing na lugar ng Lipa, Batangas. And it's really, really worth it. Every second we get to spend with Bridget and Janus is really, really worth it. And I'm just so happy na habang nandito kami sila pa, syempre, nandito na rin kami sa Iho Bakery. Ilan ba tatlo? Sobrang cute. We are just so grateful for our friendship with Bridget and Janus. Until we meet again, for sure. Ang dami na nating napag-usapan about measure. Kung paano mo sinusukat ang sarili mo, kung paano mo sinusukat ang buhay mo, ang buhay ng ibang tao, at ang mundo. Kaya ang sarap naman talagang tanungin. Sobrang curious ako para sa'yo. Sa tingin mo, paano mo sinusukat ang ibang tao at ang mundo? Pero bago mo sagutin yan, ipapaalala ko lang na kung paano mo sinusukat ang iba at ang mundo, ganoon din ang paraan ng pagsusukat sa iyo. Sakto naman tong topic na ito dahil for this Sunday, ang gospel ay, for the measure with which you measure will in turn be measured out to you. This is a reminder that kung gaano natin sinusukat ang mundo, ganoon din tayong susukatin.
Nakita namin sana sa nature of job, hindi na trabaho ng kumpanya. In our gospel today, parang ganito rin ang ating namin. Let me read some of those standards set by our blessed Lord. To you here I say, love your enemies. Do good to those who hate you. Bless those who curse you. To the person who strikes you on the one cheek, offer the other one as well. Naturally, humanly speaking, itong mga standards ang ating mahal na Panginoon para unreachable stars. Para hindi hayang sa buhay. Lord, talaga bang gusto mong sundan ka namin? Lord, talaga bang gusto mong kami ay bagay mga alagan mo? Lord, gusto mo talaga kami na kami kagunan na kami sa natin? Bakit parang at mga standards na parang mga pinulit sa natin? Ito hindi pararating unreachable stars.
A famous song once said that you should measure your life with love, but the love that we give is super imperfect. So I dare say, measure your life with God's love so that you will see the blessings in your life, the grace that He gives, and the love, the perfect love that He gives you all the days of your life.